Everyone, this is DSM. I just want to give you another update about the small account. Today I made $348 on the small account that I started in the middle of October with $5,000, and I'm trading under PDT rule. This is $2,000 profit after I started this challenge. So this is my trading log. Today I lost $18 on ACRX short, but anyway, that's nothing. So here is the trades. You can see I was green most of the day, and this one is TWST. I made 360 something on this one. So these are the trades I had, and here is the account. So whoever says show me your trade, this type of, here is my trade. These are my trades, and I told people I am starting this challenge. It was a week ago, 2 weeks ago. I made 1300 on this account. Friday I made 400 on this account, and that was part of our plan. In Daily Stock Money chat room, we said that later on we are going to launch this small account challenge. I still keep the price of joining our chat room on $79 per month. I don't want to increase it to 227, but very soon I would go to. I don't want to jump from 79 to 227. I didn't have time to launch long-term trades, but this price would go higher and higher. And the reason I'm telling you this is, if you paid attention to the chart of a SPY, this is a SPY, and I started this challenge at this time when the SPY was going down. When the SPY was going down, the overall market was losing and dropping. We managed to make 40% in an account that was under PDT rule. It's not an account that I was trading every day. I'm in US. I have to follow PDT rule, and I specifically did that because I wanted to show you PDT rule is not something that um, that can stop you to grow your account. The overall market is not something that can stop you growing your account. And if we are going to experience the bear market very soon, I promise you, mark my word, that our chat room would be the only chat room you can learn how to trade in bear market and how to make money while the market is going down. Other fools out there, they are telling you uh, you are basically they made a lot of money, and they tell you we have thousands of 50,000 traders in our chat room. They all made their money because we were in bull market, because the market was going high and high and higher. So they forced their followers to chase their stock, and they sold their shares to their followers, and they made their real money based on the subscription fee. The chat room that has more than, I would say, 100 people in it, you won't learn anything. Mark my word. Because there is no way they can teach you how to do this stuff. I have advanced degree in quantum physics and engineering. I I was teaching quantum optics 2 years ago, and this stuff are not harder than that. I can promise you. But the thing is, if I have thousands of students in my class, I cannot teach them shit, because there is no way you can teach people complicated stuff, specifically about the stock market, which is uh, entangled with psychological uh, tricks. You cannot teach those stuff to thousands of people. The reason they have the best best of these gurus out there, they say we have 10 millionaire students, and they say we have 70,000 students in our chat room. So 10 out of 70 is 0.00002. You have 0.00002% chance to be one of those students. If you search chance of being a millionaire, this is an article by Bloomberg, your chance to randomly become a millionaire is 2.4. It's way higher than that. So those gurus out there, they cannot teach you how to grow your account. And another proof is, if you are in their chat room for a year, or if you are trading for a year and you are still under PDT rule, there is something fundamentally wrong with your trading system. And if you think those people are teaching you and you couldn't manage to increase your account to pass the PDT rule, believe me, you are wasting your time and money. And I am telling you, when we go to the bear market, our chat room would be the only chat room you can trust and rely on, because we are not in the business of pumping stock. These trades are not coming from pumping stocks. Those fools out there, they pump stocks and they have thousands of followers, and they chase their stock and they sell to their followers and they make money. We don't have thousands of people in our chat room, and we never have. This is not our intention. So if you want to join our chat room and learn the real stuff, the real result, this is E-Trade account. Call E-Trade and ask them, can you make paper trade in your E-Trade Pro platform? And they would laugh at you, and they say there is no paper trading in E-Trade platform. As far as I know, till today, November 12, 2018, you cannot paper trade in E-Trade platform. This is my account. These are the trades I made, and this is the profit. 40% gain, less than a month when I was trading under PDT rule. So if you want to join my chat room and learn the real shit, this is the only time you can get in with $79 per month, and that's it. When we launch long-term trades, and we already started a small account, but when we finish that and wanted to release the tricks and strategies for our members, and when we complete that course, this price would jump to 227. And I promise you, on that time we might be somewhere around here in SPY, and there is no chance I can increase the amount of people in our chat room, because I don't want to basically pump stocks and have thousands of followers. It's not my intention. This is my passion, to teach people, to teach the whole world how to trade. I went from quantum optics to trading stocks. and I'm teaching people because this is my passion. Don't think it. I don't. I want to uh, make money from you. I I can make money whenever, wherever I want with very small account, and this is the proof. Show that to your furu, and if they ask, okay, it's the real trade or bring the print and this, go fish. Tell them go fish. They are robbing you, and at the same time you are losing money. So I don't know why people believe those furus out there. I am showing you the chance of you becoming a millionaire by yourself. This is Bloomberg article. Go and read it. An Asian person younger than 40 years old has a 2.0 chance of being a millionaire. Odds that are sort to go and search this and find articles. What are the odds of becoming a millionaire? You have more chance to become a millionaire uh, instead of following those fools out there and pay them money. So that was it. You see, I have the proof to show you. These are nothing compared to what I'm charging people to just tell them the truth about trading, to teach them how they really can grow their account, not just entertain them every day. When you go to those chat rooms, thousands of traders, they are joking. Uh, some of them, they know each other and they just compliment each other. Yeah, you had a great trade. And the moderator says, no, you had a great trade. And the other person's, yeah, I'm going to play golf today. And these things are not gonna make your account green. I don't want to say grow your account. I'm just saying these type of chat rooms, they don't help you to see these green numbers in your account. Believe me, that's the end of the story. And I just wanted to give you this update. And if I had more uh, trades in next couple of days before I finish this first month of the small account challenge, I will give you another update. But today I didn't see any good setup. I didn't put any trade. I'm going cash in this account, and I don't have any position overnight on this account. So that was it for today. uh, Hope you all made money, and let's see what we can get tomorrow. Have a good night. See you everybody in my chat room, and good luck.